Good morning, students. In today's class, chapter 5, does it look the same? Does it look the same? Dear students, in last class also we learned about the same chapter. Do you remember what did you learn in the last class? आपने लास्ट क्लास में क्या पढ़ा था इस चैप्टर में, आपको याद है? In last class we learned about mirror half. Means some shape were there and one dotted line was given in each shape. And we check that whether because of the dotted line, whether this given shape is divided into two similar part, two similar half. क्या वो डॉटेड लाइन के कारण जो दिया हुआ शेप था इट वाज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू सिमिलर हाफ या नहीं? That we discussed in that last class. In some shapes were divided into two similar half and some shapes were not divided into two similar half because of that dotted line. And one more thing we discussed that the dotted line which divided its given shape into two similar half, that dotted line is called line of symmetry. Means in some shape it was line of symmetry, in some shape it was not line of symmetry. Okay, that we discussed in our last class. Now see, in today's class, it is about our turn. In today's class, it is about our turn. See, half turn. बच्चों, it is about half turn. Now see, question: which of the following shape would look the same after half turn? यहाँ पर कुछ शेप दिए है बेटा. See, this is number 1, 2, 3. Then it is 4, 5, 6 and 7. Like this, there 7 shapes are given here. Out of these 7 shapes, now we have to give the half turn to this shape. अब इन shape को हमें half turn देना है. After half turn, would look the same or not? That we have to write here. तो इन्हें half turn देने के बाद, तो see, what is this shape? This is square. Now it is look like this, it is square. After half turn, how would it look like? ये कैसे दिखेगा? How would it look like after half turn? Half turn के बाद आपको ये शेप कैसे दिखाई देगा? So now that we have to check. ये हमें चेक करना है. So do you have any idea how to check it? Means how to give the half turn. अब इसे हाफ टर्न देंगे. हाफ टर्न के बाद वो कैसे दिखाई देगा? दैट वी विल ड्रॉ हियर एंड देन हियर वी विल राइट वेदर इट विल चेंज और नॉट. डज इट लुक द सेम और नॉट? क्या ये सेम दिखता है कि नहीं दिखता है? यह हम यहाँ पर रिमार्क में लिखेंगे. सो बच्चों, व्हाट इज द वे टू चेक इट? व्हाट इज द वे टू गिव द हाफ टर्न? इसे हाफ टर्न देने का क्या आपके पास तरीका है? हाउ टू नो हाउ इट विल लुक आफ्टर हाफ टर्न्स? हाफ टर्न के बाद ये कैसे दिखेगा, ये हम कैसे समझेंगे? तो देखिए, आई हैव वन सिंपल वे. सी, I have one simple way to check it how it will look after half turn. So see, this is square like this. This is square, तो ये square है बेटा. Now see, it is without any turn. इसका कोई अभी turn नहीं हुआ है. तो see, this is what? Quarter turn. पहले देखिए बेटा, ये जो आपका स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है, दिस इज योर स्टार्टिंग. फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर इट इज क्वार्टर टर्न. देन फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर इट इज half turn, then it is 3/4 turn and it is whole turn, means complete turn, one turn. Now this we will try to give quarter turn, half turn, and then we will check whether the given shape will be changed or not. So see, what is this? This is square like this. Now this square, it is quarter turn. It is quarter turn and now it is half turn. So see, after half turn, this shape look like this one. After half turn, this shape look like this one. तो देखिए बेटा, जो हमने हाफ टर्न दिया था, हाफ टर्न के बाद हमारा ये शेप ऐसे दिख रहा है. सेम पिक्चर आई ड्रॉ हियर. ओके, नाउ यू कंपेयर. दिस इज योर ओरिजिनल विदाउट टर्न एंड दिस इज आफ्टर हाफ टर्न. ये आपका हाफ टर्न के बाद आपका शेप आपका ऐसा दिखाई दे रहा है. So, is there any difference after half turn? It is without turn. after half turn. So is there any difference between these two shape or looking same only? Does it look the same or not? ये जो आपका शेप है, इस शेप के साथ आपका ये शेप आपका सेम दिख रहा कि नहीं दिख रहा? दिखाई दे रहा है? इसमें क्या लिखेंगे फिर? इट वुड लुक सेम आफ्टर इट वुड लुक सेम आफ्टर हाफ टर्न। तो बच्चों ये जो शेप है आपका, ये आपका शेप हाफ टर्न के बाद भी सेम दिखाई दे रहा है। इट वुड लुक द सेम आफ्टर हाफ टर्न मीन्स देयर इज नो एनी चेंज आफ्टर हाफ टर्न। हाफ टर्न के बाद उसमें किसी भी तरह का कोई चेंज नहीं है। देयर इज नो एनी चेंज आफ्टर हाफ टर्न। हाफ टर्न के बाद उसमें कोई भी किसी तरह का चेंज नहीं है। नाउ शेप नंबर 2, सी दिस इज अवर शेप नंबर 2. It is what? It is rectangle. It is shape number 2. It is rectangle. Now, how does it look after half turn के बाद आपका ये शेप कैसे दिखेगा? It would same or not, that we have to discuss. So see, this is rectangle. See, this is picture of rectangle like this. Now give the turn. So it is without any turn. Now it is quarter turns. It is half turns. So after half turn, it look like this. आपके half turn के बाद देखिए, after half turn, it look like this shape. It look like this one. आपका हाफ टर्न के बाद आपका ये शेप आपका इस तरह दिखाई दे रहा है बच्चों। अब मुझे बताइए, आपका हाफ टर्न के बाद आपका इस तरह दिखाई दे रहा है। सो इज देयर एनी डिफरेंस? सो इज देयर एनी डिफरेंस बिटवीन दिस टू शेप? क्या इन दो शेप में आपको जो देखने में कोई डिफरेंस है या लुकिंग सेम ओनली? सो सी बोथ शेप आर लुकिंग सेम, सो वी कैन राइट हियर it would look same after half turn. हम यहां पर लिख सकते हैं बेटा कि it would look the same after half turn. हाफ टर्न के बाद आपका जो रेक्टेंगल शेप है, रेक्टेंगल शेप को भी आपने हाफ टर्न दे दिया, उसके बाद आपका ये शेप बिल्कुल सेम दिखाई दे रहा है। नाउ शेप नंबर 3. So what is this shape? It is circle. So obviously, all of you know that this circle will remain same or not. What is your guess? Whether this circle will remain same or not after giving half turn. After half turn, ये जो आपका सर्कल है, ये सर्कल चेंज होगा कि सेम रहेगा? देखिए, आफ्टर हाफ टर्न, after half turn. See, now this is our circle. See, this is circle. Now it is without any turn. What is this? This is quarter turn, and now this is half turn. After half turn, it look like this one only. After half turn, it looks like this, and now see both shape are looking same here, so we can write here it would look the same after half turn. It would look the same after half turn. See, this is what? Circle without any turn. Now after half turn, it is circle, quarter, and then half turn. After half turn, it look the same. There is no any difference in what they are looking. इन दोनों के देखने में कोई आपको फर्क नहीं मिल रहा है. Both are looking the same. So we write here it would look the same after half turn. हाफ टर्न के बाद आपका ये दोनों शेप आपको जो सर्कल है, हाफ टर्न के बाद आपको इट विल लुक लाइक एज ओरिजिनल शेप की तरह आपको दिख रहा है. इसमें कोई चेंज नहीं है. नाउ शेप नंबर 4. See, it is shape number 4. Again, it is rectangle. See, it is again rectangle. This is rectangle like this. See, this is rectangle like this. Now try to give the half turn. इसे हम हाफ टर्न की कोशिश करते हैं. See, it is without any turn. It is quarter turn. Now it is half turn. So see, how does it look the after half turn? हाफ टर्न के बाद आपका ये शेप आपको कैसे दिखाई दे रहा है? तो यहां लिखेंगे आफ्टर हाफ टर्न. आफ्टर हाफ टर्न दिस शेप लुक लाइक दिस. आपका जो शेप है इस तरह दिखाई दे रहा है बच्चों. Now see, there is no change in their looking after half turn, so we can write here it would look the same after half turn. क्या हुआ यहाँ पर? See, it would look the same after half turn. हाफ टर्न के बाद आपका ये शेप है, ये शेप आपको भी सेम दिखाई दे रहा है. Once more you see, this is rectangle like this. Now after it is without any turn. After quarter turn it will look like this, and after half turn it will look like this. So I draw the same picture here, and now you compare these two pictures here. Both are looking same, so we can write it would look the same after half turn. यहाँ पर हम लिख सकते हैं कि after half turn both are looking the same. Now question number, now shape number 5. It is triangle. See. This is triangle. Now in this triangle you see this type of the one mark is given here बेटा. इस मार्क का मतलब क्या है? इस मार्क का ये मतलब है कि this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. Means all three sides have the same mark. इन तीनों साइड में सेम मार्क है. इसका मतलब ये कि लेंथ ऑफ ऑल these three sides are equal. तीनों साइड का लेंथ इक्वल है. And in which triangle the length of three sides are equal? This triangle is called equilateral triangle. In class 4 already we discussed about this triangle. Okay? So this is equilateral triangle having all three sides equal. तो देखिए, this is like this. ये आपका ट्रायंगल है. Now what will happen after quarter, after half turns? इसको अगर हम हाफ टर्न देंगे तो क्या होगा? Whether it will change or look same. Now see, after half turn, after half turn, see, this is your starting point. सेलोटेप लगा हुआ है. No change, no any turn. Now up, now from here we have to do turn. See, what is this? This is quarter turns. Then this is half turn. Now after half turn, it look like this one. After half turn, it look like this one. See, it look like this one. After half turn, this shape look like this shape. Now you see, this is original shape without any turn. It is after half turn. Now is there any difference in their looking or same? क्या इन दोनों के देखने में आपको कुछ डिफरेंस दिख रहा है या आपको मतलब कुछ सेम दिखाई दे रहा है? तो सी, इट इज डिफरेंट है, सो वी कैन राइट हियर इट वुड चेंज. आफ्टर हाफ टर्न हम यहां लिखेंगे बेटा कि हाफ टर्न के बाद क्या हुआ? दिस शेप लुकिंग, इट डज नॉट लुक द सेम, इट चेंज, सो वी कैन राइट हियर इट डज नॉट लुक द सेम. It does not look the same. Otherwise, we can write this sentence also. In the place of this sentence, we can write like this. It does not like the same. देखिए, it would change after half turn. हाफ टर्न के बाद आपका ये शेप है, ये शेप आपको चेंज दिखाई देगा, थोड़ा सा उसमें बदलाव दिखाई देगा देखने में. It would not look the same after half turn. हाफ टर्न के बाद आपको ये शेप सेम नहीं दिखाई देगा. Now next shape number 6. See, what is this shape? What is this shape? Now this is the shape with how many sides? See, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is the shape with 6 sides. So this type of the shape is called hexagon. इस shape को क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? This type the shape having the 6 sides, it is called hexagon. Now see, after half turn to this hexagon, how it will look like and whether it will change or not, and whether it will look like same. क्या ये सेम दिखाई देगा, क्या आपको डिफरेंट दिखाई देगा? क्या लिखा है? आफ्टर हाफ टर्न. See, so what is this shape now? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is a shape. It is a shape with 6 sides, so it is hexagon. Now see, it is without any change and any turn now. इसमें कोई turn नहीं हुआ है. So it is quarter turns and then it is half turn. So it look like this one. After half turn, it look like this one. See, after half turn, it look like this. आपको ये जो आपका शेप है, ये आपको शेप इस तरह दिखाई देगा. So you can write here. See, you can write after half turn. You can say that this is what? After half turn, this is shape without any turn, and this is shape after half turn. So see, is there any difference in between these two shapes? No. So both shapes are looking same. So we can say that it would look the same. Look the same after half turn. It would look the same after half turn. तो क्या है बच्चों, ये जो आपका शेप है, ये आपका शेप after half turn also आपको it is looking same. There is no any change. So it would look the same after half turn. Now shape number 7. See, what is this? It is the shape with 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Students, all of you know what is the name of this shape? The shape with 5 sides, it's called pentagon. It's called pentagon. Now see, what will happen if you give the half turn to this shape? अगर आपने इस shape को half turn दे दिया तो क्या होगा? Whether it will change or not. See, after half turn. After half turn, see. So what is this? Pentagon. So it is quarter turns and it is half turn. So it look like this. After half turn, it look like this. See, after half turn, it look like this. And now see, it is without turn. It is after half turn. So is there any difference in their looking? Yes, they are looking differently. So we can say it would change. What we have to write here? It would change after half turn. It will change after half turn. तो half turn के बाद क्या होगा बच्चों? ये जो आपका शेप है, it will change after half turn. Half turn के बाद ये शेप आपको चेंज होके दिखाई देगा. Now, see, next question, practice type. Find out which letter in English alphabet look the same after half turn. अब हमें यहाँ पर देखना है कि इंग्लिश अल्फाबेट के जो लेटर्स हैं, how many letters are there? All of you know there are 26 letters, A, B, C, like this, Z. There are 26 letters. Students, many times we confuse that if you ask anyone question like this कि how many alphabets are there in English, तो हम generally answer करते थे there are 26 alphabets. But the students, it is wrong. There is no 26 alphabets. There is only one alphabet, that is this one, and 26 are letter of this alphabet, A, B, C up to Z, and the group of this alphabet, it is called group of this letter is called alphabet. So there is only one alphabet. So clear your questions? If anyone asks you how many alphabets are there in English, so you have to answer that only one alphabet is there, and these are A, B, C, D up to Z. These are letter of this alphabet. See, it is A, it is B, it is C. So this is a different way of writing alphabet, but name and meaning of this alphabet are same. This is capital alphabet and small alphabet. All of you know about it. Now, see, there are 26 letters, A, B, C, D and up to Z. Now we have to see out of these 26 which letter will look the same, अल्फाबेट लुक द सेम आफ्टर हाफ टर्न्स। अब हमें ये देखना है कि हाफ टर्न के बाद कौन सा आपका ऐसा लेटर है जो सेम दिखाई देगा। तो बेटा उसका एक सिंपल तरीका है, देखिए हाउ टू नो, हम इसको कैसे समझेंगे। देखिए एक पेपर पर देखिए मैंने यहाँ पर एक लेटर्स लिखे हैं, ए से लेकर तक जेड तक, A to Z letter, 26 letter are there. Now try to give this half turn. It is quarter turns. It is half turn. Now when you will give half turn and try to find out here out of this 26 letter which letter are looking same. So see A is changed, B is changed, C is changed, D is changed, E is also changed, F is changed, G is changed, and H is looking same. So like this, some letter out of this 26 letter are looking same. Now here we will check one by one. हम यहाँ पर एक एक करके चेक करेंगे. See what is this first letter A. Now how it will look after half turn. हाफ टर्न के बाद ये कैसे दिखेगा हम यहाँ पर ड्रॉ करेंगे एंड देन कंपेयर करेंगे कि does it look the same or not. So see it's very simple बेटा, to check it very simple. See this is letter A. It is without any turn. It is it is quarter. It is half turn. तो after half turn it look like this. हाफ टर्न के बाद क्या होता है बेटा, ये जो आपका सेम है it look like this. ये सेम आपको ऐसे दिखाई दे रहा है, तो हम इसमें क्या करेंगे, ये देखिए. Now do you think both are same? No, these both same are not same. So we can write here it is changed. तो इस तरह एक एक करके सभी जेड तक के लेटर को बेटा हम ट्राई करेंगे एंड देन उसके आगे लिखेंगे कि कौन सा लेटर सेम दिखता है. आउट ऑफ दिस 26 सम लेटर यू विल गेट सेम एज आफ्टर हाफ टर्न्स एंड सम लेटर विल बी चेंज. सो दैट वी हैव टू चेक हियर. सी इट इज ए. नाउ सी बी, हाउ इट विल लुक आफ्टर चेंज. अब हमें बी के बारे में चेक करना है. See this is B. It is without any turn, quarter, half turn. तो देखिए after half turns कैसे दिख रहा है बेटा, ये after half turn this look like this. ये आपको ऐसे दिखाई देगा. तो you can write here it is change. It is change. Okay. Now see next. It is C. It is C. तो देखिए आफ्टर हाफ टर्न क्या होगा, इट इज विदाउट एनी टर्न. सी क्वार्टर टर्न्स, हाफ टर्न्स. तो सी इट लुक लाइक दिस. इसमें क्या लिखेंगे फिर हम, इट एल्सो चेंज. नाउ लास्ट लेटर इन टूडेज क्लास, दिस इज लास्ट. सी व्हाट इज दिस, इट इज डी. See quarter turns and now it is half turns. After half turns it look like this. ये आपको इस तरह दिखाई देगा बेटा. So what we can say it change. Okay, it change after half turns. So this way today we check only of these 4 letter. Remaining 22 letter we will discuss in later class, next class. So dear students, you can yourself also check whether this letter will be changed or not and which of this letter will look the same. So this way in today's class we discuss which of the following shape look the same after half turns and which of the following shape change after half turns. Okay, so this is for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.